Wala na, hindi na comfy era.
Gagagi, army shoes yan eh.
Ito, ito to.
Ginawa yan 1970s pa.
1970s.
What's up guys, we're here sa store. I'm with Brother Carl.
And with Brother Nico.
So yun, it's payday daw today, sabi ni Carl.
Yeah.
Di ko kasi alam, di man ako sumisweldo eh, pero...
Ganyan ba?
Oh, walang sweldo dito, grabe, wala akong nakikita dito. Try natin magbenta ng mga shoes today. 10.5, baka 11 na yung stock. Mabilis na ubos yun yung black. So maluwag. Maluwag ko, anong maluwag? So 10 nga lang po siguro.
Yun kanina,
I think that's a perfect fit.
Pero ito bro, may pang lalaki to.
Yes, meron sir. Kaso sa price mo, hindi ko lang meron pang sir.
Sige
if it's your first one, I recommend this one. Kasi this model, even the black one, the Cloud 6, I can guarantee na in the future, if you want to buy another one, we can probably source. This one, if you don't take this today, I'm not sure if you can buy it pa. This is a collaboration between On and Forward Revolve. So, limited siya and di ba, para special yung first on mo. Kung mag-first on ka.
Sige nga bro, pa-fit ako.
Still have 10 or 10.5 for some. Naku, parang naubos na rin kasi naubos na to. 9 na lang po. If you really want this pair naman, just let me know para I can try to source. Sa US lang kasi ito, US exclusive.
Okay.
Para I can call na, then I can reserve.
Yung sa snake pala, wala kang.
Meron din sir, pero we don't display and we don't recommend that to customers kasi expensive.
Nasa kanalo?
Around ano na ngayon ng year the snake eh. Siguro would have to sell for like 23. Namamahalan ako for our customers kasi you're gonna pay 23 for a regular on shoe.
Okay. Sayang, sorry.
Pwede yan pre-order sir, I can call, let me know.
Sige. Sige lang muna.
Yun lang muna sir, sige.
Ano ba, i-reserve ko o hindi na?
Reservation sir, kasi we're gonna call and then order. This is 15.5 sir. I can give for 15 na lang. Para lang I can celebrate with your first on kapag dumating.
Ano yung isa ko rin na?
Yung neck na... the off-white. Hindi ko alam na you were looking at this. This is off-white blazer collab. This was way back in if I'm not mistaken, 2020. So how much did we sell the off-white blazer? We sold for 10.5 sir, and then we sold the pre-order Cloud Nova Form 2 Abundant Green. Bestseller na collab. This was sold for 15,000 na lang sir.
Wala lang pa. Sige boss, thank you.
Sir, thank you po kayo.
Mike, parang maganda to. Tingin mo bagay sa outfit ka to? All black
sir.
na ito yung shoes ko.
Yes.
Try natin, no? Si Edison, pakuha ng other pair nito. Ayun. Try natin mag-outfit check gamit to, mas. Wala na, hindi na comfy era. Charot. Try natin to.
Ayun o.
Gagagi, army shoes yan eh.
Ito, ganda to. Army shoes? Ito?
Army
Paano
shoes
sabi
yan.
ng army shoes to?
It's called the GAT shoe. GAT meaning German Army Trainer shoe. So, actually, itong BW Army, nauna yan kaysa sa Maison Margiela. Diba? BW Army stands for, BW,
BW.
Bundeswehr. Which stands for, seryoso, German Allied Forces yun. Ibig sabihin nun in German. Ginawa yan 1970s pa.
1970s.
I'm not sure about the year, don't quote me on this one, pero Maison Margiela adapted the same design 1999, I think.
1999.
Hanggang 1990 siguro, or ganyan.
Something like that.
Pero special to kasi collab yun eh. Hard
This one
copy.
is what?
Hard copy.
Hard copy.
Pasok sa branding mo.
Pasok sa branding ko.
Oh.
Next outfit, ito gagamitin ko.
Ito, binubudol ka na yung mga partners natin. Kasi
Bro, like, suit ng army to for battle or for casual lang?
kasi before naman, yung mga shoes naman ng mga 1970s, di ba? Mga Chucks, Chucks na pa yung basketball eh. So ayan, BW Army, yung design niya is very iconic and was designed for parang an army shoe. Very
Ito.
minimalist yung dating.
Something like this. Ito ata yung OG, di ba?
Ito yung OG, ito yung OG colorway or design, guys. If you're looking for something cheaper, you can go for the BW Army. Tsaka actually siya yung mas original na gantong design kaysa si Maison Margiela. Unlike popular opinion or popular knowledge.
So, try natin i-drip to. Next outfit ko. So, see you guys.
Hey guys, wala na outro. It's another sale na naman. Another good day na maraming sale. So, bye!
Sir, drip check na po.
Drip check na. Sige, Carl.
Tama na. Okay. Sa tops natin, essentials na sweater. Familiar yung dati.
Essentials ba yan?
Oh, essentials.
Actually guys, do you know na sa essentials there's actually two kinds. Pero same designer si Jeremy Lorenzo.
Yeah.
There's the higher end level, which is yung tag, difference niya, yung tag niya, it says Fear of God lang instead of Essentials. So those are priced maybe 10 times than the usual Essentials.
10 times,
So pag Essentials, that's the mid-level, and then there's a higher tier, which is the Fear of God. Essentials Fear of God, magkano yan, Brody?
Eto, nasa 10.5 lang to. Sa inner natin, MLB. Yan, makita natin ang MLB. Yan, not available here. Doon na lang tayo sa MLB shops. Available nearby you, di ba? Siyempre sa bottoms naman natin, MLB ulit, di ba? Again, not available sa Get Nice
Oy,
Store.
kunin nyo na to,
sa
MLB.
Baka naman, di ba? Okay, sa shoots natin, the legendary holiday release, Cloud Tilt, Roxanne, 17.5. Fuck you, bro.
Sa akin, sa cap, we're wearing, actually, ano to, New Era. I think this is 2.5. Tapos, for the top, I'm wearing Zara, tapos inner Zara din. For the shorts, I'm wearing Vans. Tapos shoes natin available here sa Prism. This is the NB 1906 loafers color black. This is sold out na yan. Or may pre-order pa tayo.
Pre-order na
Ang
tayo.
price nito is 18,000.
18,000.
And then for the watch, we have the Patek. That's it.
And the Wimbledon, syempre, the legendary.